Hi there, here's a step-by-step guide on how you can set up an abandoned cart reminder on your store. On the home page of the Mode Magic app, click on Apps on the left side of the screen. From here, select the Abandoned Cart option. From Templates, you can choose the style and type of the abandoned cart reminder you'd like to set up on your store. Then under Settings, you can set up the minimum cart value for which the offer will get activated. You can also go ahead and set up a maximum cart value for which the discount gets applied. You can set up a fixed or a percentage discount. You can also set up a maximum discount value which the customers can avail. Once all of this is set up, you will see the values appearing right here on your screen. You can also enable an expiring offer. The offer can last for, let's say, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 20 minutes, etc. Under design, you can make edits to the content and the styling of this abandoned cart reminder. From the top of the screen, you can make edits and view how this abandoned cart reminder will be visible across different devices. Now from the right side of the screen, click on Show Abandoned Cart after 30 minutes. From here, you can set up the frequency settings. That is, when should the first reminder pop-up appear on your customer's screen? Then, when should the subsequent reminder come up on the customer's screen after dismissal? Now click on Show Abandoned Cart on the center of the page. This is the position and display settings of this abandoned cart reminder pop-up. The default settings have already been set up for your store. Once this is set up, click on Add to Store on the bottom right corner of the screen.